On August 5th, 2015, Mishra Computer Education Society was founded in the Rampur Garden area of Bareilly. The institution began modestly with only 2 students, Vinod and Satyam. But over time, the institution's popularity and quality earned it a special place in people's hearts. Today, over 5,000 students have received education from this institution, and many are working in various companies and government departments both nationally and internationally. The founder, Deep Mishra, dreamt of providing the same quality computer education to students from small towns and villages as available in large cities. With this thought in mind, he worked tirelessly to create a platform where students not only acquire technical knowledge, but also receive interview, career guidance, and placement support. The main courses taught at Mishra Computer include O-Level, CCC, Steno, Hindi and English typing, Tally, DCA, ADCA, website designing, Python programming, digital marketing, and others. Many students have succeeded in securing government jobs, while others are employed in private companies, banks, schools, firms, and the IT industry. Some students have started their own freelance work and are earning significant income. The institution provides practical training, project work, interview practice, and resume building alongside courses. Additionally, eligible students receive internship and final placement support from the organization, helping them to establish themselves. If you are looking for a bright future in the field of computers, definitely visit Mishra Computer Education Society, Rampur Garden, Bareilly once. Seek guidance from Deep Mishra and give your career new wings. Dreams are fulfilled by those who have the courage to realize them. Mishra Computer, where dreams become reality.